Hello everyone, it's Eric with Manning Drone Services. Today I wanted to talk about construction progress monitoring and the reports that we offer utilizing high-resolution photos and 4K video. Whether it's once a month, once every 6 weeks, we can go back out and not only take photos and video, but create updated orthomosaic maps. Once the photos have been taken, they're stitched together into one high-resolution map, and it enables our customers to zoom in on any given area of that map for a high-resolution review. 3D models are also a very effective way of analyzing the property. Also known as digital twins, we are now able to physically print those replicas out. The progression slider tool enables the user to take a look at the progress from the last report to the latest one. There you see there was some pretty good progress made between September 14th and October 27th. Go over to another project. You see that the map on the right is from September 1st. The map on the left is from October 12th. We zoom out to the entire development. You can see the map from October 27th in comparison to September 1st. And again, on that map, you can zoom in to any given area that you choose to take a look. If you are involved in a project and unable to physically be on site, the construction progress reports are ideal. Please feel free to reach out to us if you're interested at 208-598-6150.